Good morning, guys. This is 22nd of June 2026, and I woke up at about 9 something today. I did wake up for about an hour in the morning. The sleep cracked, as usual, has been cracking in the last few days. But the last few days, I was also not managed to sleep. I did not even manage to sleep later, but today I did. Like I slept at about 12:30. The alarm was 8:45 a.m. So that was 8 hours. 15 minutes, but I woke up at about 5:30 and I was up for about 45 minutes. So 45 minutes. Then I managed to sleep and I woke up at 9. So what's the calculation? Can you make the calculation? So 12:30 to 9, that's 8.5 hours minus 45 minutes. 7 hours 45 minutes has been my sleep, right? 7 hours 45 minutes and deep sleep, so I'm happy with that. Although it cracked a bit in the morning, but I'm glad I managed to go back to sleep, which wasn't happening in the last few days. So I was really sleepy in the last few days because I wrote it long several years back, not several years back, whatever, some time back, that दिन रात की नींद पूरी नहीं कर सकता. So no matter how much you sleep during the day, night sleep is night sleep, and that's when your body relaxes. That's when you refresh, because if your night sleep is cracked, then you don't feel good. So it was happening in the last 3-4 days. Tonight, although there was a bit of a crack in the morning, but I managed to sleep again, so I'm feeling refreshed after like 3-4-5 days continuously. So 7 hours 45 minutes. I just had chai. I'm not hungry right now, so I just had some like pumpkin seeds and a quarter of a cookie. I'll try to see if I can, because my weight this morning 60.5 and the goal this month was 58. I haven't yet. Only once I've gone under 60. Only once on 13 June. It's 22nd June, so it's about 8-9 days. I haven't gone under 60 again. So although my diet at this point is the healthiest it's ever been in my life, I'm eating almost everything that's healthy, everything that the doctors recommended. Literally, I've introduced so much new stuff into my diet in the last 2-3 months that it's crazy. At 45, I'm introducing new shit into my life. Not just food, a lot of new shit I'm introducing into my life. So I'm literally, it's a restart of my life. Like just posted on Instagram also that I shouldn't be alive, right? So I should be dead. So when I woke up in December 25 and decided to have another shot at my life, I decided it's a new life. So I've introduced a lot of new shit into my life. I'm literally setting up this whole thing for the next 50 years. Yeah, I hope you're feeling fine. It's a Monday, so most of you would be at jobs. I don't have a job, so I have a schedule of my own. I have some administrative shit to attend to in the afternoon. In the evening, I'll hit the gym, but I'll keep it light today because Mondays are light gym days. Tuesdays are gym marathon days. Wednesdays are off days from the gym. Although I did not take an off yesterday. So last week I did not take an off, so my gym session count last week was the most it's ever been since forever. Like, never hit 16 sessions before, but last week I hit 16 sessions because even Wednesday I did not take an off. Actually, the most I had done till last week was 14. Yes, last week I hit 16 sessions in the gym, and all kick-ass sessions. So food-wise, gym-wise, last week was great. Shows-wise, it was okay. Shows-wise, a lot of shows had a little audience. Friday 9 p.m. got cancelled, so somehow the audience count was low last week. I don't know why. It was low. And even Vikas was talking about it. लोगों ने आना बंद कर दिया. But even I was there, Manish was there in the room, and both of us said this week's been bad. So I hope this week is better in terms of shows, the count of people. Otherwise, the room usually is full. Even some days on Mondays is being full, and Fridays to Saturdays, Friday, Saturday, Sundays is generally almost full. But last week is bad in terms of audience. But stage time I did like 188 minutes. So that's all 3 hours of stage time. My target is 2 hours. 2 hours is pretty good stage time in a week. But last week I hit 3 hours, 8 minutes, and the week before I had hit 2:39 minutes. So that is about 4. 4 hours is how much? 6 4s are 24. Yeah, literally about 1 minute short of 4 hours. So stage time is good. Stage time has been good thanks to Guftagoo. I manage Guftagoo largely because of that only. Food is fine now. I mean, I can manage food elsewhere, but stage time is most important, because if I don't have Guftagoo stage time, then I have to travel to other place and it takes a lot more time. The spots are smaller. Here I manage my spots, so I generally do about 10 to 15 minutes on a usual night, so that's pretty good. Sometimes longer when I'm hosting, and it's all in my control. So I'm really dependent on Guftagoo stage time. That's the reason I'm managing the club. Yeah, so I'll just look at my schedule for the day. I planned it last night. I always plan it last night, but I just review it in the day if there are any changes or whatever. So I hope you have a good day. Please try to enjoy work. If you don't enjoy work naturally, then you won't enjoy it. Then you're in the wrong work business, because you can't make fish climb trees no matter how hard she works. You can't make fish climb trees. So if you're not enjoying your work, that means you're in the wrong line of business. Even if you're an employee or you or whatever, don't waste your life. Make less money, but try to do something you find meaningful and that gives you joy. One life, guys. Literally, trust me. I know it's hard to do, but figure it out, guys. Figure it out. Figure it out is the term for life. Okay? I'll catch you later. Good morning, guys. I woke up a few minutes back. Well slept. And the moment I woke up, the thought that I had on my mind was Billo ni billo teri aankh de dopamine. Does it happen to you? Wake up on a random morning and you have a song on your mind. Anyway, one of the things I started this year, which I'm mighty proud of, is a post-it project. I mean, fraction aside, it's one of the most meaningful things I've done in my life. With every post-it, I'm writing things for people that I'm proud of. You know, that who they are. Post-its are about who they are. It's not about what they've achieved professionally, whatever. My post-its about who they are as people. I love them. Thanks for listening. इस स्टोरी का टाइम ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा है.
Hey guys, one of the problems that we have in cities like Gurgaon and Delhi is parking. And the reason it is a problem, because everyone wants to take their fucking car inside the fucking shop that they want to go into. If you're willing to walk a bit, just walk a bit. Take your fat ass and walk a bit. Park your car at a bit of a distance and just walk. Just fucking walk. Like if you're willing to walk for 5 minutes, then parking will cease to be a problem in the country. The reason the parking is a problem is because everyone wants to take the fucking car in not in just the market, but also in the fucking shop they want to go in. Just walk. I'm talking to you. I will put my phone down and I'll listen to you. Alright, that's how I talk. If I'm talking to you and you have your phone on or you're fiddling with your phone, we're not talking. I'm sick of lousy people. Clearly I'm not having very good. Hi guys, this is Muskan. Muskan, दिन कैसे गया तुम्हारा? Normal day. What would be the one highlight of the day?
What would be the one highlight? मैंने पालक पनीर खाया, अच्छा था वो.
खुद बनाया था.
और मेरे को किसी ने एक सवाल पूछा. That question is very like intellectual.
What is the question?
Was the question कि अगर आप कुछ चाहते हो लाइफ के अंदर, आपको नहीं मिलता.
अच्छा.
तो क्या?
तो क्या? तो क्या जवाब दोगे?
यार that जवाब is also very.
नहीं तो क्या जवाब दोगे?
सब आपने जॉब के लिए पूछा.
तो बता रही जवाब नहीं बता रही. ये लाइट क्या हो रहा है? ये नया एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहा है. तुम जवाब बताओ.
regret now.
हाँ
Particular चीज अचीव नहीं होगी बट आप बेहतर
हाँ मतलब ट्राई करते रहोगे तो अफसोस नहीं होगा। नाइस। आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे अंश? आपका दिन कैसा गया?
मेरा दिन तो बहुत आसान गया भाई।
क्या अच्छा था आपके दिन में?
मेरे दिन में आज इट वाज अ वेरी प्रोडक्टिव डे।
लाइक हाउ?
लाइक आई फिक्स मेरे घर की वॉशिंग मशीन, मैंने अपने घर की प्लम्बिंग भी कर ली और मैंने अपना कमरा जमा लिया और मेरा नया मैट्रेस आया था वो बिछा के उसके ऊपर चादर वादर लग गई। एंड यू डू योर शेयर एंड यू लाइक इट।
Beautiful thing
8 इंच का गद्दा है मेरा, 8 इंच का पर्सनल खरीदा हुआ है।
क्या बात है, मुबारक। तो मतलब डोमेस्टिकली प्रोडक्टिव डे था।
Yes, yes.
नाइस, ओके गुड।
And that is also product.
Of course it's product. Hey guys, this is almost midnight. It's 10 minutes to midnight. And that's a day review. The day started a lot of bad notes. There's some stuff I was supposed to finish administratively that didn't go well. Then ran into some goons drinking liquor in a car and fucking idiots. Then a couple of meetings that were supposed to go in a certain way didn't go that way. But fine. I mean, the evening onwards, from the gym onwards at about 5:30, the dance class went well. I'm happy with that. Dance heals me, so that healed me. After that, I did some crunches, 100 crunches, and after that, then I waited for the show confirmation, which happened. The show happened. There were about 10 people on a Monday, so pretty happy, pretty good show. There were 6 or 7 girls out of 10 or 11 audience. More girls in the show means a better show. Girls are just at least outwardly happy people. I don't know if they are inside happy or not, but outwardly girls are more happier than men, right? Men become too stiff as they become adults, so there's a lot of responsibility on fucking shoulders. So adult girls are more happier than men, in younger girls somehow. So the show was good. I'm happy with that. So the day is ending well, then it started. So that's it. I hope you are well as well, and good night. Bye.